Good morning. For the time being, the market's motion somehow seems to have stalled. The key indices remain stuck in a range and a major breakout is not on the cards very soon. The earnings are mixed. The ones that are beating estimates are seeing some upgrades, but those are few and far between. One may have to wait for an across-the-board market upgrade for 2 to 3 quarters. We expect a lackluster start due to mixed global cues. The markets in the US barely moved, though European markets managed strong gains despite resurfacing of the jitters over Greece. Asian equities declined as losses in technology and healthcare companies overshadowed gains in consumer durables and raw material producers. The NSE Nifty is likely to face resistance at around 5,350 to 5,400 and support will kick in at 5,200 in case of a fresh fall. Coming back to motion, the government will face some real music in the parliament today. The opposition is called for a cut motion on 2 budget measures, but reports suggest that UPA is comfortably placed in terms of numbers. F&O expiry and the Fed meet will be the major events to watch out this week. The broader market will continue to hog the limelight as more results pour in. The results to be declared today are Aventis Pharma, Concor, Dena Bank, Gillette India, GSK Pharma, Greaves Cotton, ITFC, Ispat Industries, JSW Energy, Motilal Oswal Financial, Petronet LNG, Piramal Life, PFC, PTC India, Raymond, Sri Renuka Sugars, Soba Developers, Taj GVK Hotels, Wellspun Gujarat and Yes Bank. FIIs were net buyers of Rs 2.34 billion on Monday on a provisional basis. Local funds were net sellers of Rs 736.9 million according to figures published on the NSE website. In the F&O segment, the foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 3.66 billion. On Friday, FIIs were net buyers of Rs 8.80 billion in the cash segment as per the SEBI website. Punjab and Sindh Bank plans to come out with an IPO to raise Rs 4 to 5 billion in end June or July first week. The government has fixed a price band of Rs 23 to Rs 26 a share for the IPO offer of Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam. Big Cinemas has acquired a chain of 188 screens in more than 24 cities in the US, covering almost all the major centers of South Asian population from Manhattan and Edison in East Coast to Los Angeles and San Jose in California and Chicago in the Midwest. Non-life insurers clocked 13.4% growth in 2009-2010. The RBI has initiated an exercise to set up a housing startup index to track new residential projects in 31 major cities and measure the changes in construction activities. Moving on to the recommendations, the derivative strategies are long Lanco Infratech April future at Rs 59.70 for a target price of Rs 62 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 58.50, and long Dr. Reddy's Lab April future at Rs 1241 for a target price of Rs 1260 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 1230. The technical calls are Praj Industries buy. Traders are recommended to buy the stock at current market price of Rs 91.80 and up to declines of Rs 90 for a target price of Rs 99 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 87. And Tata Metallics, traders are recommended to buy the stock at current market price of Rs 162 and in the range of Rs 159 to Rs 164 for a target price of Rs 177 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 155. Thank you and have a great day ahead.